That come with the job. Why you making it, bro? D'Artagnan's Washington. All right.
I know it is because I brought it in the van, and when I went around the corner to go to my side things.
Let's see.
That freaking lock.
It's down there. All right.
Yeah. Why is this damn thing locked? Adam asked the same thing. Why is it locked when you close the side door? I'm like, I don't know, dude. It does that all the time. This ain't the first time I've locked my shit in here. I told him, I said, I want to reach out the floor and ring their ass because they ain't supposed to lock with a damn key in. You can tap that unlock button, it'll unlock. Come on.
Let me put a little harder.
You gonna have to get the door handle a little. That sucks.
Hold on one second.
Well, no, forget the push button. He just told me it was an anti-lock feature. It won't allow you to do it.
Yeah.
So that unlocked.
Yeah, I knew the handle was gonna get it, but I mean, I knew the handle was gonna get it, but you told me the button, so I was like, okay, well, let me try it his way.
You got the handle.
Yeah, I know the handle. See, you gotta have the keys, bro.
They're in that back.
Where they at?
They're in that back. I can't get to them.
In the back of the van? Let's see. All right, let's see what you got, man. Oh, unlock the door for me on the other side?
Yeah, it's on the side.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Might be able to get that motherfucker through here.
Yeah, I probably could fish it out
There
of
they
there.
are, sitting right there.
On the floor right
in that
there?
box right there.
All right, let's see if I can fish them out of there for you, man. They gonna fit through there?
I don't know. No, they're not gonna fit. But there is a way to get that side door open on here. But I don't have to do it in the past.
You got a handle on that?
It's got a handle, but it's about midway up. Alright, so you got something. Maybe that's long enough to grab the keys. And what I can do is pull them up to where I can get my hand over the top and grab them.
On the inside?
Yeah, you open it up here.
Uh-huh.
I might be able to pull it. So if I open it up here, to where I can grab the keys if I pull them up to that point.
That's gonna be
tricky.
a challenge, yeah.
It's tricky. Ah, damn, Chris, you're getting good at this shit, boy.
All right. It's not gonna work. You gotta get it. You gotta walk it
It
up
does
to
one thing, though.
walk it up to the top. And shut that.
Open up everything.
Oh yeah, yeah. Let me get the other door. Yeah, good. Smart. Yeah. Smart. Yeah.
Pull the keys up to the fucking back of the gate. And when I got them up to the back of the gate, I hit the fucking unlock key.
Yeah. All right. That'll work. Shit, teamwork make the dream work, bro.
Charge them fools, whatever. They should have this shit working.
Teamwork make the dream work, man.